Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see this bag, you know it's going to be a good video. I just want to give you guys a little background information. About a couple weeks ago, I tried the brand Mondo Super Yellow Mondo hair color. I'm like really out of breath from going up the stairs. The product itself has been great. It's been very vibrant and has stayed in my hair like really amazing. For the past 2 weeks, it hasn't really lost much color, except for last night I washed it with purple shampoo because I was kind of tired of the yellow. Oh, it looks a little different, but it did do a really good job holding up the color and it was very beautiful. I just don't really think it's my thing for everyday life. When I do my hair and makeup, I like style my hair or do a full face of makeup. It looks nice and I like it, but for just like everyday life, I feel like it just looks like I did like a bad bleach job or something, and it makes me kind of want to go back dark. I decided that what I would like to do is leave the front two sections of my hair, not leave them, but lighten them. I got some Prism Lights powder. This will actually be my first time trying Prism Lights, so I want to use it on the front two pieces of my hair, or the money piece as they call it, as well as my sideburn pieces. They're like pinned back right now, but like the kind of the little piece that comes down where your sideburn is, and then go dark with the rest of my hair, kind of like my natural color, dark brown. What I'm picturing is very kind of like early 2000s Christina Aguilera. You know how she used to do the super contrasting highlights where she had like black hair and then platinum hair. I like that, and that's kind of my inspiration for this. So I also got 2 of the Wella Charm Developers Volume 40, as well as 2 of the Color Charm hair colors in dark natural brown. And I only wanted to get 1, but I was like, just in case, let me get 2. So that's what we're doing today, guys, and I hope this turns out good. I'm also going to be using some of you guys' tips. I've been getting a lot more comments lately than usual, and a lot of people offer some good tips, so hopefully I can remember them for this, and thank you for the nice comments. Let's get started. Hey guys, so real quick before I start, I want to add that this lovely girl recently commented on one of my videos, and she led me to watch this video. This girl is awesome. She's really cool. Subscribe to her if you haven't already. She was using Prism Lights in her one video where she went from brown to silver, and so I've heard of it prior to that, but here I am using it now, so I just want to give her a little credit. So as much as I wanted to do the Prism Lights first, I realized that I should probably do the dark brown color first, because you know the Prism Lights might not need to be on all that long. So I guess I'm just gonna kind of put these hair pieces to the side and save them for the end. This is my first time getting this type of Wella color. Usually I get like the T18 and it's in the little bottle, but this is actually a tube and it has markings going down it to show 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce. So my point in showing you that was, if you weren't going to use the whole tube at once, you don't have to. You could simply keep track of how much you used, mix it based off that, and save some for another time. So the tube broke on me. It got like a hole in it, so then every time I squeezed it, it started going literally everywhere, and this is a mess. So I got most of the product in this bowl, so I'm gonna put about 2 ounces of developer. It's 1 part color, 2 part developer. This is 3.6 ounces, so 2 ounces is a little more than half of this. I pretty much eyeballed it. So we actually used up the product in that bowl rather quickly, and it's all gone, so I'm trying really hard to just saturate all that hair in the back so that I don't have to open the next one, because that's just a pain in the ass. Okay, and it's time for prism lights. So I'm actually not going to use the entire packet right now because I don't think it's necessary for these 2 little strands. I know you guys say start at the bottom, but that's just like really difficult for me to do for some reason. I'm gonna do about 20 minutes like this and rinse. Okay guys, so this is not the conclusion. We still have work to do. I am about to go over the brown again because it's kind of, you can see the yellow coming through. This is really bad lighting right now. And then I'm also going to bleach just the roots right there again. I look crazy, but we're just gonna do this.